thanks so much for joining us on Your Carolina. You know, anytime the Greenville County soil, come on, we learned so much. We've learned not to blow it.
Right. Recycle or compost your yard waste.
So we learned how to build the compost last time. That was very nice.
Yep.
And today we're going to be answering some of your questions. We'll read some of our Facebook questions. But one of the things, Kirsten and Yucky Ducky here, good to see you. We want to know about building a pond. Okay, on your yard. Can you build a pond on your property?
And that's where we bring Kirsten in. She's our district manager, and she handles all dig.
You're the pond blonde.
All of that expert stuff. She is.
Everybody gets a nickname on the show.
Yeah,
So.
come on the show.
Yeah.
So can you do that? Can you just dig?
If you are not associated with a stream, if you're just digging a hole to let rainwater or stormwater go into, you can build a pond. But if you're going to be on a stream or a river, then you have to call the Corps of Engineers.
And why would that matter? Like, why does that make a difference?
Because the Corps of Engineers has jurisdiction over all streams, all running water.
So you building a pond that can mess up the flow of the big pond,
Right.
so that's why.
Well, you can change the way the river runs. If
you
you're big enough of a
imagine?
pond, really. I mean, think about it. Remember that in school when you learned all the names of the rivers and where they came out in Charleston?
they all ended up.
Well, tell me this. We're talking also about maybe a neighbor's water and it drains into your lot. That happens. What do you do? Go over and smack it?
No, there are a lot of practices that you can do to take some of that water pressure off of your property. And the best thing to do is to call the Greenville County Soil and Water Conservation District. And I can't answer that question without actually looking at the property. So I will come out and look at the property. So if you can
and you'll
call us.
provide answers like this is running off because what harm can that do to all the runoff and
Erosion.
drainage?
It can erode your property or flood your property. So we can help you if you have flooding or drainage or erosion problems.
Someone paid attention in science class, didn't you?
Yeah.
You know all the.
I know this. I am a meteorologist.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Exactly.
We're actually going to have Kirsten Robertson, and we're also going to have an expert in land conservation out at the Southern Home and Garden Show this weekend. We'll be there all 3 days. We have a booth, games and prizes, and not only will we have our Ask an Experts, but we'll have General Yucky Ducky too.
It'll just be going honking around. Now, we're giving away tickets to the Home and Garden Show because we asked y'all if you had questions for our experts to post them on Facebook. Richard Profit, congratulations. You're going to be going to the Home and Garden Show. Our producer will send you some. I'm going to read his question. He says that he lives on a double wide, okay, and he has brick underpinning all the way around. So when it rains, it allows water to flow under the house and then out back. He's been told that it's washing away all the dirt. What can he do to fix this?
That's one of those issues where he should call the Greenville County Soil and Water Conservation District, and I'll be happy to come out and help him out.
And you know, quick answer, and I'm not being smart for not having erosion is plant grass, but how you do it under a mobile home.
In this case, I will probably suggest diverting the water around the mobile home.
Well, trenches.
Well, that is awesome. What about, too, we want to know the kind of soil that you have on your property. How can you tell?
Well, you can have your soil tested. Typically, that goes through the Clemson Extension Office, and there is a Greenville County office located right there at where we are, up at 301 University Ridge.
Well, why would you want to test your water?
Oh, lots of reasons. A lot of gardeners will do it. Anybody who's interested in agriculture, right? And, see what type of chemicals you may need to add or to make your soil useful.
Well, great. YuckyDucky.com, easy website to memorize. I love it. And go see them this weekend at the Home and Garden Show. Where's it going to be? Is it at?
It's at the TD Convention Center.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Thanks for giving away those tickets, too, Richard.
No
Congratulations.
Are you bringing Yucky Ducky? Is he coming?
He will be there. He's going to be there Saturday from 12 to 3. So.
You know, Yucky Ducky's not missing out on the
Yeah,
party. Come on,
he's
not at all.
No.
Yucky Ducky likes to party.